Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about active voice and passive voice. You know, active voice means what? Katruvachya. Passive voice means what? Kanuvachya. If a sentence begins with the subject, that is called Katruvachya or that is active voice. If a sentence begins with an object, it is called what? Passive voice, right? And we came to know the different form verbs, active voice form verbs and also passive voice form verbs, right? Today we shall begin from plus 2 second year activity 5. So it is like this. Look at the blackboard. Yes. Activity 5. The following is a part of a newspaper report. Use the verbs supplied in the blanks in their appropriate form. In Bhubaneswar, what did I say? In that is a 1 minute. Yes. In Bhubaneswar, yesterday a shopkeeper was forced. A shopkeeper was forced. Force is given. So we will use its passive voice form, that is was forced. What did I say? Was. Tell. You tell. Was. Yes. Was forced. Was forced. Right? So was forced to hand over rupees 10,000 after what? After threatened, after being threatened. That is being, B-I-N-G, being threatened. Threatened. Right. The man escaped in a car, khasi palaila. The man escaped in a car, khasi palaila. Which days, bracket in bracket still, earlier in the day. Which, tell me,
Yes.
which was stolen. Still stole, stolen. Right? Still stole, which was stolen. Was stolen. Stolen. Later the car was found. What did I say? The car was found. Was found. F-O-U-N-D, found. Right. In a garage where it was abandoned. Was look at your book. Was abandoned. Look at the book. By the thief, a man who was suspected, Sandigdha, was suspected, right? Suspected of being involved, samprukta, involved in the robbery, was arrested, yes, arrested and was questioned. Next, the state library was damaged. What did I say? Damaged. Was damaged. Damaged in a fire last Sunday. The fire was discovered. Was discovered. Was discovered was discovered at about 11 p.m. spread very quickly. Nobody was injured. किए हेले क्षताक्त होना injured. But two people had to be rescued. What did I say? Had to be rescued. Be rescued from a room upstairs. A number of valuable books were burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burnt. Burned, both are correct. Burn is given. A number of valuable books were burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burnt. It was not known how the fire started. Was not known. K-N-O-W-N, known. Right. Now let's move to the next activity, that is activity 6. Mr. Mahanti went out for a while. Mr. Mahanti किसी समय पे बाहर गले. When she came back, she soon realized, अनुभव कले that someone had been in the room. किए गोटे रूम थिला. While she was away, जेतरा से बाहर जाइतिले, given below is a list of the things. तले दिया जाए जी केते जिनिस that had been disturbed. जोड़ा की विचलित होइतिला, disturb होइतिला, एपट सेपट होइतिला. Write sentences to describe the room using the following lines. First one is the book case had been removed. Right. Next, the wood had been closed. Yes. Next, the flower vase had been broken. Next,
the door had been opened.
The door had been opened. A candle had been lighted. Next, an armchair. Yes, an armchair had been displaced. Yes, then the television had been switched off. The wall clock had been removed. Okay, the record player had been smashed. Right? Okay, now let's move to the next activity, that is 7. Do you know how to prepare a cup of tea using a tea bag? Tea bag मिलची. तमे tea तैयारी करियो, चाह तैयारी करियो. How do you know how to prepare tea? Do you know yes or no? Tell me. Yes.
No.
Then why did you say yes? Okay. Do you know how to prepare a cup of tea using a tea bag? If you don't, you can follow the recipe or pronounced recipe below. A recipe is a set of instruction. It is a set of instruction. सूचना जगह दिया है, which you follow when you are preparing some food. खाद्य प्रस्तुत करला बड़े ये सूचना जगह देखी किए कहाँ पर किए, what will you do and what after what, कहाँ पर किए कौन करिबो, it is given, that is called instruction. Usually साधारणतः recipes are given in the form of comments हुक्म स्टाइल रे दिया जाता है. So using sentences in the active voice, active form, the following recipe for making tea is an example. Use 1 tea bag to make each cup of tea. गोटे चाह कप करिया पे use 1 bag of tea. बोले हमर ओडे तमे एक्चुअली यू हैव नॉट सीन इट, तमे देखी ना. मार्केट में मिलुची गोटे चाह बैग एडी छोटे मिलुची, तमे क्षीर गरम कर दो, से बैगटा ता भीतर पूरी 3-4 घंटी देले इट विल बिकम टी. You will add a sugar then, or first you can add a sugar. Egg not egg, sugar add kari paribo. Right? Okay. So Use one tea bag to make each cup of tea. Place the required number of tea bags in a kettle. Kettle, you know kettle? Okay. Add boiling water, ସେଇଥିରେ ଗରମ ପାଣି ଦିଅ. Stir the water, ଘାଣ୍ଟ. But make sure that the tea bags do not open up. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେତେବେଳେ sure ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଥାଅ ଯେ ସେ tea bag ଯାହା ଯେମିତି ଫାଟି ଦେହରେ ଖୋଲି ଯାଇନଥିବ. Allow the tea to stand for 4 minutes. 4 ମିନିଟ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସିଏ ଗରମରେ ନିଆଁରେ ଝାସରେ ରହୁ. Pour the tea into the cup. Add sugar and milk to taste. So the instructions in the recipe can be rewritten using sentences in the passive form. What you get now is a description of a process. Write the recipes given above using sentences in the passive form. The first sentence has been done for you. Yes. Also notice that the title is in the passive. How tea is made using a tea bags. One tea bag is used for making a cup of tea. Next one is yes. This is the question, this is the answer. Right? Number 2, the required number of tea bags are placed in a kettle. Boiling water is added. The water is stirred. It is made sure that the tea bags are not opened up. The tea 5. The tea is allowed to stand for 4 minutes. The tea is poured into the cups. Sugar and milk are added to taste. Okay. Now let's do activity 8. When you become a member of a library, you are supposed to obey certain library rules. Rules are generally stated in the sentences using the passive form. Here is a list of do's and do nots for users of a public library. Can you turn them into library rules using the passive? Okay. Do's, करणीय. Do nots, jaha करणीय नुहे. Do's. You should maintain strict. What did I say? You should maintain strict silence inside the library. Next, you must bring your membership card with you when you visit the library. Next, you must leave your bags, books, notebooks, etc. at the checking counter outside the library. Next, you should ask the librarian to help you in case you are unable to find a book. Next, do not कौन करिबनी जहाँ करिया कथा we discussed. Now let's know what are the don'ts. You must not write anything inside a book which you borrow from the library. You shouldn't damage the book in any way. You mustn't keep the book longer than the due date. You shouldn't lend the book to anyone who is not a member of the library. Now let's write the what answers. Strict silence. What did I say? Do strict silence must be maintained inside the library. Second, your membership card must be brought with you when you visit the library. Your bags, books, notebooks, etc. must be left outside the library at the checking counter. Next, don'ts. So, nothing must be written inside a book which you borrow from the library. The book must not be damaged in any way. The book must not be kept longer than the due dates. The book must not be lent to anyone who is not a member of the library. So, with this, that is the end of active voice, passive voice of +2 second year English. We will discuss the rest part of the 10th class English grammar related to active voice, passive voice in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.